We have a 2019 Airstream Classic and our converter went bad. I didn't see a lot of videos on YouTube discussing the troubleshooting, diagnosis, remove and replace of this item, so we decided to make one. The first thing we noticed is that while connected to shore power, our batteries weren't charging. Typically, while hooked up to shore power, your battery should be showing anywhere between 13 and 13.5 volts, depending on what your converter rating is. Now, before we get too much further into this video, I want to let you know I'm not a licensed electrician. I know just enough to maintain my RV, so don't take anything I say as law. All the troubleshooting we did led to us having a bad converter. So the first thing we had to do is figure out where it was. After doing some searching on the internet and then in the owner's manual, we figured out it was below our wardrobe, so we started to dig. So as you can see, we are taking off the main circuit breaker panel, and I think it goes without saying that anytime you're working around any exposed wires, you need to turn off the main power and remove all power from your RV. So we're going to speed this video up a little bit, but it was basically 4 screws to remove the main AC circuit breaker panel, an absolute bird's nest of wires behind it, and then remove 2 screws, and the converter came out pretty easy. The converter consisted of a 110 volt AC plug, and then 2 wires once the power is converted, a live and ground in the back that was removed with an Allen wrench. And that's pretty much it for the removal. We didn't show it in the video, but once removing, we did verify with a multimeter that the converter was in op. We probably could have gotten this converter a little bit cheaper, but we were pressed for time, so went to our local RV store and purchased one from them. They had one in stock, and we were able to take it home same day. Once we got back to the RV, we unboxed it, and installation was fairly simple. Got the receptacles ready, DC wires inserted. And honestly, the hardest part about this was dealing with all the wires that were tucked back underneath the wardrobe. A little nerdy thing I do, just putting new installation date, a couple of screws, plug it in, and the converter was installed. We'll speed this up, not a great view, but the AC circuit breaker panel going back on. And that's about it. Converter installed. Voltage reads right, and installation is complete. Top 3 takeaways. Number 1, cost savings. We were quoted $1,200 to $1,500 by the dealership to fix this. We were out the door $350. Number 2, continued RV education. We learned a little bit more about our Airstream and what it takes to keep it up and running. Third and final, don't be afraid. We were a little nervous getting into this. But with the proper research on the internet and YouTube videos, we found out it was pretty easy to replace. So hope you enjoyed the video.
We hope this video helped you on your travels. Thanks for watching.